Today, I'll show you the best and most efficient method for saving money on Beam Wallet, focusing on maximizing returns, maintaining control over your funds, and avoiding common mistakes that reduce potential growth. Beam Wallet allows users to store, grow, and access their money with ease, but the real advantage comes from using its savings features strategically. Start by funding your Beam Wallet with an amount you can keep untouched for at least 30 days. Beam typically offers the strongest rewards when funds stay deposited for longer periods. Instead of making small, frequent deposits, consolidate your savings into fewer, larger deposits. This approach amplifies the compounding effect and ensures your daily yield grows consistently. For example, a deposit of $200 maintained for the full duration results in noticeably higher yield compared to breaking that same amount into multiple small deposits over scattered days. Once your balance is in place, activate Beam's automated savings tools. Enable Auto Boost or daily yield accumulation so your earnings roll back into your main balance without manual intervention. This ensures every dollar continues working around the clock. Keep your spending separate by not using your savings pool for everyday purchases. The fewer withdrawals you make, the more stable your compounding becomes. Monitor your growth inside the app weekly rather than daily. Beam Wallet's yield system performs best over time, so short-term fluctuations shouldn't influence your behavior. If you receive extra income such as refunds, bonuses, or side hustle earnings, add them directly into your savings pool to accelerate growth. A simple addition of $20 to $50 can raise your future yield significantly. Finally, leave your savings to compound for a full cycle before making any major withdrawal. This method ensures maximum return, minimizes unnecessary interruptions, and uses Beam Wallet exactly as intended, a stable place to grow your money efficiently and consistently.